friends, my name is Akki and welcome to Akki Dreams. Akki Dreams, Akki Dreams. Come make arts with Akki Dreams. Dream it, make it, and you can have it. Akki Dreams, Akki Dreams. Come make arts with Akki Dreams. Come make arts with Akki Dreams. Today we're going to be making a paper handbag. For this, we need cardstock, ruler, scissors, glue, compass, Velcro, pencil and eraser, and a print of your favorite character that you like. To start with, we need to make 3 circles of 7 centimeters each. Our 3 circles are ready, see? Now we need to cut a rectangle that is 28 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. This is our 28 by 6 strip, see? Now we have to make 2 dots that are 1 centimeter. And we have to do the same on this side. And then we have to connect it with a line. Cut shark teeth on either side of the paper. And it should look like this. Now from using the scale, bend these shark teeth like this, but using the scale. This is how our shark teeth look like. And now, you have to roll them up so it's easier to stick. Like this, hold, and spring. There you go. Now using glue, stick a circle like this. With the scale, draw a line here and cut the extra portion off. Glue the second circle similarly and then cut off the extra. This is how it looks, see? Now we need to take the third circle and put it in like this. And this is for the lid, see? And if you bend it, it'll become the lid. Now, we need to take a ruler and your pencil, obviously, and we need to mark it. Now, measure this top part with your ruler. It will be 4 centimeters. So now, from this line, you have to make a marking at 4 centimeters. And draw a line, like this. Now fold on the line. Now we have a shape of a taco, but it's actually just the lid. Cut a little bit of these two sides. Now stick the smaller side on the inside back of the taco. This is how it looks, see? Now we need to put the Velcro on. You can print or draw your favorite character. For example, I have Sunny here, and I just stuck her on some cardstock, see? And then I cut her out. So now we have to stick her onto the lid. This is how our bag looks. Now we need to make the handle of the bag. For the handle, we need a 2 centimeter strip. This is how our strip looks like. If your strip is too short, you can take 2 strips and then stick them together. And then you can make it as long as you want. Now let's stick the strip to the bag. Finally, our bag is ready. You can give these bags to your friends, or you can play with them and you can hide your secrets in them. You can make other bags too, like this. See? Isn't it cool? This is my favorite one. There. And there's some other bags too. There's this Mickey Mouse one and this SpongeBob one. These are really colorful too. And they have their own themes. Look, orange, blue, really dark, and pink, obviously yellow. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.